Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, including all the latest leaks, rumored specs, and expected release details. DJI fans, vloggers, and on-the-go content creators, this one's for you. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 marked a turning point for ultra-compact gimbal cameras. With its 1-inch CMOS sensor, flip-out touchscreen, and powerful image stabilization, it became a top-tier choice for YouTubers, TikTokers, and travel filmmakers. Its excellent low-light performance, cinematic depth of field, and clean 4K video captured the attention of creators across the board. Now, eyes are set on the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. While DJI hasn't officially unveiled this new, camera leaks and insider reports are painting a promising picture. Early rumors suggest we'll see a powerful evolution, more than just a spec bump. Improved sensor and processor combo. It's expected that the 1-inch sensor will remain a smart choice, balancing quality and portability. However, a next-gen image processor is rumored, enhancing dynamic range, speeding up image handling, and enabling computational photography. This should boost clarity, reduce noise and shadows, and help capture more cinematic footage even in difficult lighting. 10-bit color and HDR video modes. 1 standout upgrade: 10-bit color recording. The Pocket 3 maxes out at 8-bit, limiting color grading potential. With 10-bit, users can expect more accurate color reproduction, smoother gradients, and less banding, perfect for HDR workflows and editing flexibility. Expect D-Log-M support, giving creators the ability to push creative boundaries. K at 120 FPS, next-level slow motion. Another major rumor: 4K resolution at 120 FPS. That's double the frame rate of the Pocket 3, opening up stunning cinematic slow-motion capture in ultra-high detail. With 10-bit color and higher dynamic range, this could rival footage from larger mirrorless cameras. Higher bitrate video for pro results. We may also see increased video bitrates, potentially surpassing the 130 Mbps ceiling of the Pocket 3. This means less compression, richer detail, and more accurate textures when filming fast movement or complex scenes like waterfalls, urban landscapes, or action sports. Upgraded stabilization and Z-axis. Smoothing. DJI's gimbal systems are already best in class for handheld video, but the Pocket 4 may introduce enhanced Z-axis stabilization, reducing that subtle up-down motion from walking. Software-based smoothing and more refined hardware mechanics could make this camera a dream tool for vloggers and run-and-gun shooters. Smarter. Autofocus with eye tracking, one of the biggest rumors. Phase detection, autofocus, and eye tracking. AF. This would dramatically improve focus speed and accuracy, especially when subjects move unpredictably. Combine this with a smarter active track system, and solo creators can stay in focus even while moving across the frame. Better audio experience. While the Pocket 3's triple mic array performs well, the Pocket 4 could introduce wind noise reduction, audio zoom, or even spatial audio for immersive soundscapes. A redesigned mic layout might also improve directionality and clarity, ideal for creators who shoot outdoors or in busy environments without external microphones. Enhanced display and design. Tweaks. Don't expect a major redesign, but the rotating touchscreen could see small improvements like higher brightness, better touch response, and slightly larger size for easier framing. Ergonomic changes might also improve long session handling. Built-in 1/4-inch mount and weather resistance. A long-requested addition may finally arrive: a built-in 1/420 tripod mount, eliminating the need for an external bracket. There are also strong whispers of dust and splash resistance, finally making this camera more resilient for travel videography, outdoor adventures, and spontaneous shoots in unpredictable conditions. Battery and charging upgrades. Battery life on the Pocket 3 is solid, but thanks to a more efficient chip, the Pocket 4 could push runtime even further. Fast charging will likely remain, with a possible boost in high frame rate endurance a must for creators filming in 4K 120. Storage and expansion accessories. Expect continued micro SD support up to 1 TB, along with possibly faster write speeds for high bitrate video. Also rumored are new magnetic lens accessories like ND filters, wide-angle lenses, and macro adapters giving creators more tools without adding bulk. Final thoughts: the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, if even half these rumors prove true, will be a game-changing vlogging camera. With its compact form factor and pro-grade features like 10-bit video, 4K 120fps, smarter AF, enhanced gimbal stabilization, and improved audio, it looks set to dominate the portable creator camera space once again. Whether you're a travel vlogger, YouTuber, or TikTok creator, this camera could offer the perfect mix of performance and portability. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on DJI's official announcement, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned here on Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates, comparisons, and hands-on impressions.